welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. I don't know what that was, but anyways, today I have this very cute, I feel very cute with this look, cute, peachy. I'm very innocent, but I'm not kind of look. And I created this with the Peach collection from Colourpop. I also have a discount code, which I'm going to share in this video. I'm out of breath. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I created this look and if you want to hang out and chill with me, then keep on watching. So I asked you guys on stories if you want to see a tutorial with the Norvina palette or with the new Colourpop Peach collection. And pretty much, I think like 70% said Colourpop Peach collection, and I do get that because I do think this collection is more approachable, it's affordable, we all love Colourpop. I also have a discount code somewhere, let me check where it is. Found it, it's right here, Colourpop 5 dealing for $5 off. I don't get commission out of this. This is just for you. So as you can see, I already did my brows. I applied some concealer and I am going to play with the Peach palette. I also got these shadows. Oh my god, they are stunning. I can't believe how affordable Colourpop is and how freaking amazing their quality is. I mean, look at this shade. This is in Access. I'm the worst swatcher ever, but love it. Let me swatch all three, so if you want to check those out, you can just see what you like and what you don't like. Honestly, I don't think you can like choose from these beautiful colors. This is Golden Hour. Don't mind my nails and my hair, by the way, but you know what's new, I'm a mess as always. Wow, this is 6 a.m. This is like a rose gold color. Oh my god, look at these, stunning. These glitters, which by the way are from the Peach palette. I like it, but only for, you know, like when you have a party because they're extremely chunky. I would wear it, but not like for a natural glam look. I also want to thank you guys because I usually, like, I'm pretty consistent with my YouTube, like, video uploads. I upload twice a week, Monday and Friday. On Monday, I didn't upload a YouTube video because I didn't feel good at all. And you guys sent me the sweetest messages on stories. I just felt so extremely weak and I couldn't open my eyes and I wanted to sleep like all day. So I was like, you know what, maybe I should skip Monday. But anyways, it's Friday. Let's do makeup. Baby Got Peach is the palette, and this is a palette. I don't know if this palette is too light for me. I do have to say, if you have like a darker complexion, I'm not sure if this palette is going to work for you. So I'm just going to give it a try and see how it goes. But first I'm going to use this side from the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. And this is a room service. So I'm only going to use the matte side to kind of like function as a eye primer. Like that. Now I'm just going to blend this. I haven't done a very warm shadow in such a long time. I was actually really looking forward to create like a bold, bright eyeshadow look with the Norvina palette. I feel like I do quite a lot of approachable looks, like safe looks, natural glam looks. But I don't know, I was like, you know what? I want to do something cray-cray. Not cray-cray, but you know what I mean. So I think I'm going to do that on Monday if you guys want to see that. And is it too early to do like fall looks? On one hand, I feel like I get super nervous when someone posts like something about fall, like whether it's clothing or hair or makeup. I'm like, is it fall yet? On the other hand, I feel like bring it on. I think I'm looking forward to it. Okay, this is the base, doesn't have to be perfect. I think I'm going in with Half Baked, this color right here. And I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics brush in number 10. I'm just going to put that into the crease. Like that, and just blend it. Now I'm going to dip into Perky. I'm going to use the same brush. And I'm going to apply it right above this shade. To make it look a little bit more pink, I'm also going to dip into Centerfold, this color right here. I want this look to look very blended, almost like airbrushed. So I'm just using one brush because, you know, we don't have to work extremely precise, if you know what I mean. I'm going to do a very soft half cut crease, and I'm going to use my Born This Way, yeah, concealer from Too Faced, and this Sosu brush from, Sosu SE206 brush. Jeez. This brush is actually a brow brush or like an eyeliner brush, and I do think it works amazing with doing creases. I think I'm going in with 6 a.m. shade, which was the rose gold color. This one, even though I like this one, I think the rest of the makeup is too light for this color. So yeah, let's go for this one. If I think it's too boring, then I might mix, which I kind of like always do, but 6 a.m. for now. AM to PM, I think that song, and the thing in the I don't know about you, but that used to be my jam. I was so obsessed with Christina Milian. I loved it, and there was this thing. Anyways, but I heard she has a movie. I'm excited for her. I've seen her last year when I was at Coachella, and she was pretty like small, but very pretty, and I was like fangirling, like But yeah, I'm going to watch her movie and support her as if I know her. I don't know her, but you know, you can support someone even if you don't know them. So I'm going to wet my brush with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and this is a contour shader from Zoeva in 235. Today is the 30th. How do you say it? 30th. I don't know how to say that. But anyways, today is the day that Vis-a-Vis on Netflix has new episodes, and I can't wait to watch it. I love it. It's a Spanish series with women in jail. Oh my God, I love it. There's a little bit of like fighting going on. There's a little bit of amor. There's just like a little bit of everything, and I'm so here for it. I love it. You know what? Oh no. I'm going to pop this a little bit more with a golden shade, which is called Golden Hour, which we pretty much don't have in Holland. It's more like golden 2 minutes. This is probably not the right brush, but I'm out of options, so I have to make it work. Work, 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 work. And with my fingers, I'm going in for Ready or Yacht, that one. And I'm going to touch the center of the eye. I'm going to dip into Half Baked again. I'm going to place it right next to the shadow. In this collection, you also have like a liquid liner, and this is in shade, this is a brown shade. You also have like a brown mascara, but I've never really liked brown mascara, so I'm going to use the liner but skip the brown mascara. For my base, I wanted to use the new foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but apparently it arrives on Monday. If you guys want to see like a full review on that, let me know. But for now, I am going in with a new concealer. I've been using it for a couple of times, but I was not allowed to say anything because it was not launched yet. Hello Fab Coconut Skin Primer, which I love, and I haven't used it in a while. It's actually pretty much the same as the Hangover primer, but maybe this one is a little bit richer. Then for foundation, I'm going in with 240N Gratitude from Zoeva. I love this foundation. It's like your skin, but better. And this is the just buffer brush, also from Zoeva. I don't use a beauty blender anymore. It's not that I don't like it, but I prefer a brush because I feel like it looks, I don't know, like I have more control over it. It doesn't absorb the foundation like a beauty blender does. I feel like I get a little bit more coverage. I like using a little bit more sheer foundations, like light to medium coverage, but with a brush. So I get like a full coverage effect with a sheer foundation, if you know what I mean. I know you can't really see it on camera, but trust me, I have bad dark circles, or they can get really bad. So I'm going to use this new concealer from Iconic London, the Seamless Concealer. I'm just going to place it right here. You don't have to use a lot. Just going to blend this in. It feels very, very comfortable. This is optional, but I like to be a little bit more bright underneath my eyes. So I'm quickly going to like place a dot right here. So we have like a beautiful highlights effect going on. To contour my face, I'm going to use this Zoeva Cream Cheek Brush and the Tantour from Huda Beauty in the shade Lights. I'm out of breath and I don't know why. Okay, sides of my forehead. Oh, I love this brush. This brush feels very comfortable 128 cream cheek brush. Love it. MAC Dark Deep Bronzer to set everything and also to make everything a bit warmer. My brushes smell so nice and new and clean. Then we have some blushes, but I'm not sure if this is going to be too light. This is called Fresh and Peachy. Anyways, so I'm going to give it a try. Or this is going to look ashy, or this is going to look very sweet and peachy. That looks like a very light pink kind of color, but I feel like it looks very fresh, so I like it. Too bad this collection doesn't come with a highlighter, because I would love to like have a very nice peachy golden highlighter. But anyways, I'm going for this one, C-Pop from Becca. I don't want to highlight you. I don't even know what you are. Going back to the palette, I'm going to use the Half Baked color right here again on my lower lash line. I don't wanna play no games, I'll give you my last name. Going to take a little bit of this color and I'm going to use it as a inner corner highlight. On my waterline, I'm going in with Urban Decay Roach Eye Pencil. It's a very nice brown, rustic brown kind of color. For lips, I received 2 crayons. Do you call it like crayon? Lip crayon. I don't know which one I like more. It feels very soft, moisturizing, almost like a lip balm. Oh, this is too orange for me. I think I'm going with this one. Give me some more. Give me some more. Going to line my lips first with the Cold Brew lip liner from NYX Cosmetics. This feels very, very comfortable. Oh, I don't know about the smell. The smell is super sweet. I don't know if I like it. It smells like melon. Oh, wow. But the color. I was not expecting that. Quickly going to put on some mascara, some lashes, do something with my hair, and then I'll be right back to pose and stuff, to film the intro and outro. So this is the final look. I don't know, but I feel like it makes me look younger, maybe because of the colors. I feel like it's super sweet, cute, very wearable. Even for like, I don't know, like on a daily basis, I think it's very wearable and I like it. For mascara, I've used the Colourpop BFF mascara, right? Yeah, BFF volumizing mascara. The black one on top and the brown one on my lower lashes, because I don't like it when my lower lashes are too obvious, I think. I didn't want to cover this whole thing up because I have hooded eyes. I don't have a lot of space. So I didn't want to cover the eyeliner and the cut crease by applying falsies. So I applied 3 individual lashes from Tati Lashes, and these are, I never know how to pronounce it, but Haute Couture, Haute Couture, Haute Couture. I don't know, from Tati Lashes. And then the last thing I did was I took my powder from Charlotte Tilbury and then I kind of like did the buffing technique and I applied it all over my face. Please tell me that this wasn't there the whole time. I mean, like, why did I even cut this like so ugly? Let me know if you want to see a full review on the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation and or the Norvina palette with liquid lipsticks. Other than that, I hope to see you guys in my next video. If you like this look, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!